Okay guys, I got the Vevor Engine Stand here. We're gonna get this open and set up. Here it is. We'll get everything out. All the bolts. So yeah, this one's a 750 pound capacity. K24 is only 300 pounds, so this will do just fine. Okay, so we're just going to follow the instructions and get this bolted up. These are the pieces that go onto the actual motor. So we'll just set that aside, and that slips in here. So yeah, we're just going to start by bolting this up first, and then we'll get the casters on the other side, and then this piece mounts both sides together. Okay, so here we are. Got this side together. Now what we'll do is I'll just get that piece, put it on here, and then there's a bolt that goes through here. This, then, so here it is. Then we just got to put the bolt from the bottom up. Good, bolt is in. Now I'm just putting on the caps, and then we're pretty much ready to go. And now this just goes in like that, and then you can lock it to different positions depending on the rotation of the engine. And there we go. We got the Vevor Engine Stand. So not bad for 90 bucks. So yeah, we're gonna get a K24 block and get this mounted up, and then get started finally on the Civic soon.